Hello everyone, how are you doing? Do you face any difficulty in solving self-practice 1.5 in Form 4 additional mathematics? Before we're going to solve these problems, let us do a simple analysis on these problems. Basically, self-practice 1.5 consists of two types of problems. The first type, they give you the object. Let's say the object is x. This one is the object. Then you are required to find the corresponding image. The image is f g x. Like question number 1 is categorized under this type of question. For instance, A, they give you the object is 3. The object is 3. So what is fgx, the corresponding image? You have to find the image. And then the question number 2 is a different question. They give you the image. The fgx is equals to 5. They give you this fgx is equals to 5. This is image. Then you are required to find the corresponding object. That means you have to determine the value of x. So I will demonstrate to you how to solve 1a and 1c, 2a and 2c, and then the rest you have to solve by your own. Let's start with A. Find fg3 given fx is 2x plus 1 and gx is a rational function x over x minus 1. So fg3, do you remember there is an order in composite function? Those functions right inside the bracket is happen first, then followed by the function beside the bracket. So the first thing you have to evaluate g3. So start with a function g. Gx is equals to x over x minus 1. So g3, 3 minus 1. We get 3 over 2. So g3 is equals to 3 over 2. So now we can proceed to find g3. Substitute this one as f, 3 over 2. Now refer back to our function fx is equals to 2x plus 1. So equals to 2 times 3 over 2 plus 1. We can simplify 2 and the other 2. So we have 3 plus 1, that is equals to 4. That is fg3. So far so good. If you have no problems, let us proceed to C. So we are going to find f squared 4 and also g squared half. Given fx is equals to x plus 1 over x minus 3 and gx is 6 over x minus 2. Let's start with f squared 4. So f squared 4 is the composite function f(f)(4). So find the value of f4 first. So f4, refer back to f function, is 4 plus 1 over 4 minus 3, that is equals to 5 over 1, that is 5. So f squared 4 is equals to f5. So substitute this x into f function is 5 plus 1 over 5 minus 3. That is 6 over 2, which is equals to 3. That is f24. Next, we proceed to g squared half. It is a composite function of g half. Now we solve for g half first. So g half is equal to, substitute half into this x. So we have 6 over half minus 2. You can make use of calculator to find 6 over half minus 2, or you can do it manually. So half minus 6 over 2 is equals to negative 3 over 2. Simplify it, you get negative 4. You can use your calculator to check the answer. So g squared half is equal to g. Negative 4 is equal to g half. So substitute negative 4. So go back to our g function. This value we substitute negative 4. So 6 over negative 4 minus 2 is equal to 6 over negative 6, which is equal to negative 1. That's how we solve for C. So in summary, question number 1, they give you the object and you have to find the given image. Next, I'm going to show you question number 2. We start from image and then you are going to find the corresponding object. Question number 2a. Given the image of fgx is equal to 5. So what is the x? Given that fx is 2x minus 5. So we write fx is equals to 2x minus 5 and gx is equals to 10 over x not equals to 0. So first thing, we start with left hand side. We're going to find the composite function fgx. So f, this is x, equals to 2 times x minus 5. Now we replace this x with gx. Do the same thing for the other side. Replace x by gx. So what is gx? Gx is 10 over x. So minus 5. So it's equals to 20 over x minus 5. This is fgx. And then fgx is equals to 5. So next line you can equal 5 with 20 over x minus 5. So we are going to solve for x. So to do this, first we have to eliminate the negative 5 on right hand side. We plus 5 both sides. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, 20 over x. So next, we have to make the x as subject. So what to do? We time both sides with x and at the same time divide by 10. So 20 divided by 10 is equals to 2. The object is equals to 2. That's how we solve for A. Now I show you C. So for C, given the image of f composite function f squared x is equals to 10, where fx is equals to 3x minus 2. So we start with left hand side, find the f squared x. So f squared x is equal to composite function fx. Now we replace this x as fx. Do the same thing for right hand side. Is equals to 3fx minus 2. Then what is fx? Fx itself is 3x minus 2 and minus 2. So this is 3 times 3x is 9x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Negative 6 minus 2 is negative 8. This is the composite function f squared x. And then given f squared x is 10, so we can equate 9x minus 8 to 10 equals to 9x minus 8. To find x, we add 8 both sides, plus 8 plus 8. So we have 18 equals to 9x. To find x, we divide 9 both sides. So we have x equals to 2.